This is Mango Land, part 2, the waterfall. So Annie in the kitchen. Say hello.
Hello. And go to the robin then. The robin path.
Just taking the two dogs for a walk. Just taking the two dogs for a walk. And they're absolutely knackered. Sammy.
Sam.
Sammy. Hey.
Yeah. Path 2.
So we've just taken them for a walk and they're absolutely knackered. So this is the tour of the waterfall. Try and keep your camera up this time. We come over the little bridge. There's the path. Looks quite snazzy with the different patterns. That's the decking. And the water's coming out. Got a couple of nice plants in now. I thought the best way to show the water is on video. So that's one bit there. Started off looking like a birthday cake, but looks a lot better now. See if I can come in a bit closer without falling in. So still got some plants to put on, still got some rocks to put over the top. Try and cover a bit more of the cement up, but doesn't look too bad. So that's the decking. So I need to get some furniture. I need to get a table and chairs and umbrella. So pretty pleased with it. Looks a bit like a waterfall anyway. Try not to fall in the pond here. Two lampoon trees, there's one. Another lampoon there. So we're going to put plants all along the top and in the V shape. Get the moss growing. So hopefully it should look good. Here's another one of the plants that we bought. Looks pretty good. Come around this side. I want to get a decent shot. So that's enough of the waterfall. Just going to show them the garage. We come down the path, all different shapes, heart shape. Put some more grass down. That gap there is where we're going to get a big fan, traveller's fan, sort of huge big palm put in there, try and get a bit of shade on the waterfall. Still got to paint the waterfall yet, around the outside. So, front of the house looking a bit better. A bit more grass down. Still got all the driveway to do, so got to sort the driveway out. Get an edge to the driveway and then get some stones on it. So this is the garage, all finished, just needs painting the piles, so get that done soon. Not too bad, big enough to get two cars in, so just come around. So yeah, it's okay, not too bad. So we used some of the leftover tiles from the house, and then just had to buy a few more. There's the old shed there, still full of rubbish. We'll come around that way. So, don't look too bad. Tour of the garage. There's the garage and the house. And the waterfall. And I think I can zoom in with this bit of camera work. So, there's Annie upstairs. So, it's looking a bit bare at the moment, with the old weed killer on the grass. But the mangoes are pretty bushy now. After having the big haircut, look a lot better now. So that's about it. So it's looking good. So just need to sort some lights out and a filter for the pool, and then it's all done then. Just come around the front of the house. I can show you the steps at the front, or the path at the front. So again, it's got different patterns on there. So it don't look too bad. But the main thing here is to get the driveway sorted, get a gutter down each side, and then we'll put some stones down for the driveway. So, and the sun's shining. So not too bad. One of the old dogs going up. Sammy! Sammy! Hello mate. Hello. So yeah, we're gradually getting there. No more builders now, just a bit of painting, finishing off, getting some plants sorted, build the filter for the waterfall, and then it will be done. So there you go. And that's it. The Mangoland Waterfall. Okay, bye.